This Chita Cary reclining chair from Chita Living. This is their swivel reclining chair. Getting it out of the box was actually quite simple. I took the box apart and then I just pulled the whole thing out, brought it into the living room here and proceeded to cut it open. A little caution, if you're using a razor blade, don't do it. I didn't have any problems, but I've unboxed a lot of chairs, a lot of seats, so I'm super careful. Just not something I'd recommend doing because you don't want to cut into any of that leather, but I'm a professional. Anyway, back to the unboxing. Everything you need is inside of the box. Assembly was very straightforward. I love the fact that this chair has a 360-degree swivel base for that, flexible direction. You can really adjust it to whichever direction you want. That's part of the swivel base right there, the little stem that's going to be installed in the base feet, and then the little ottoman portion that comes with the recliner for your footrest. This is that base that is not adjustable, but it was a perfect height. And there is the top cushion for that. This is a leather, genuine leather, super supple leather. I love the feel of it. And with the headrest being adjustable, I was very comfortable in it. My wife was very comfortable in it. The height adjustments, you'll see that here in just a second with us sitting in it. But this is the whole base portion, and it does have an adjustable lumbar. You saw that pop out right there. You can actually adjust it to whatever height you want. Parts were very minimal. You've got a couple of rods for the headrest and then those 4 bolts for the footrest portion, ottoman, whatever you want to call it, that you get as well. The one neat feature about this recliner is the self-weighted reclining backrest design. There's no manual switch or any switch you have to fight with or, tug at or anything. So here I am just putting that last stem on the footrest portion. Again, they provide you with the tool, the Allen wrench there to be able to secure these down. They went together perfectly. And then this just slots into the base feet, all metal construction there. So very, very sturdy and sat perfectly flat on my tile wood floors here. So just pop the 360-degree swivel post in there, and then you can see some of the hydraulic system there on the bottom of the chair. You insert the top headrest, kind of like you would a headrest into a vehicle. It has a similar pinching mechanism there. You just squeeze them in to be able to get it to adjust up and down. The first time you might have to put a little bit of force there to get it in, but once it's in, it was nice and solid. And of course, I had to test it out by just, taking a nap. This thing was so comfortable, and I was tired after a long day of shooting videos for my YouTube channel here. So here it is all set up. Again, beautiful, genuine leather on this seat. It has a double layer, high density foam padding for very, very comfortable sitting and reclining. It's also very durable feeling. We'll see over time how it holds up. We're going to be using it quite a bit. I know my wife and I are probably going to be fight over who gets to sit in it. Might have to buy a second one for sure. But the matching ottoman that's included with it just really enhanced the overall comfort of this because it sits right there. You can adjust it to however you want. It matches beautifully. The style of it, elegant, clean, simple design, and then that lever-based reclining action was really cool, along with this adjustable headrest here, putting it to whatever height you need it to be so it hits you perfectly. Lots of good adjustment there. As you can see, you just pinch in the 2 little tabs on it and it slides up and down. There it is. I mean, I'm really loving the feel of this chair. There's that adjustable lumbar. You can put those Velcros at different heights so it hits different spots in your back if you want to get a little bit more lumbar support there. But that's enough talking, don't you think? I think I'm just going to sit here for a little bit, kick my feet up, drink myself some coffee, because that's what you do at 9 p.m. at night. Love this thing. There are links in the description of the video. Obviously, check them out. A lot more detail on their website itself. You guys got to feel this leather yourself to believe how comfortable it is. But this Chita Cary genuine leather swivel reclining chair definitely ticked all of the boxes. I could sit here for literally hours doing my YouTube videos, watching YouTube videos, Netflix, whatever you want to do. This is a winner in my book, and you heard it from my wife right at the very beginning. This is exactly what she needed. And no joke, I get companies offering to send me stuff all the time, and this was a yes please, because this is something we absolutely wanted in this room, in that space there. So anyway, I said I was going to stop talking. Good night, y'all. See you guys on the next one.